friend, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you have a very wonderful day. So today we are at Baku Boulevard, one of the most iconic and historic places in Baku. So it's a beautiful seaside promenade that stretches along the Caspian Sea. It's the perfect place for walking, relaxing and enjoying the views. Baku Boulevard was built in 1909 and its history goes back more than 100 years, back to a time when wealthy oil barons built their mansions along the Caspian shore. Over the year, it has grown and expanded so much that today it's almost 26 kilometers long with parks, gardens, fountains, cafes and lot of attraction for everyone. Here at the boulevard, you will find fun things like the Baku Eye Ferris wheel, amusement parks, beautiful gardens, and even boat rides on sea. It's also a great place for families, couples, kids, and tourists, and it's free to visit. You can just walk here, jog, relax, or watch the epic sunset over the Caspian Sea. Or you can enjoy the beautiful view of the stunning lights here at night, just like I did. So that's the Baku Boulevard, a perfect mix of history, fun, amazing views right by the Caspian Sea. This is another main point of Baku, and if you ever visit the city, you can't miss it. So friends, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and follow for more adventures. See you in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.